my chicken breast, I'm using this meat mallet to pounding and to tenderize our chicken breast. Grab your big onion and start slicing it. As for the cucumber, use a peeler to remove its skin, but I personally like to leave at least a small amount of skin just to add the crunchiness when biting it. Grab your tomato, remove its top, and then continue slicing it. I'm making my own mayo by beating up 2 egg yolks and slowly adding vegetable oil to it. I use what's available in my kitchen, and that is a calamansi, so I use at least 2 of it to add acidity to my mayo. I use pepper and salt to season it, then continue mixing it. I preferred having a garlic mayo as for the sauce, so I added a garlic powder in here and then continue mixing it. Season your chicken breast with salt and pepper before putting it in a heat pan. Put a small amount of vegetable oil into the pan with a low heat and then fry our breast chicken. Fry your ham at least a minute or two and then set it aside. As for my sandwich, I'm using a wheat bread. I'm slowly toasting it in a low heat. Continue doing this one at least for both sides and then set aside. In preparing my sandwich, I'm putting in garlic mayo on my base bread. Add your lettuce. Then add your tomato. Then your onion. Cucumber. And then your breast chicken. Okay, I'm just going to do the same filling again. Tomato, onion, and then cucumber. And then another meat. Then I'm putting in lettuce. For the top bread, I'm spreading in some garlic mayo as well. Now that we're done preparing our conventional type sandwich, we're now moving in with our open-faced sandwich. In a low heat pan, put in a small amount of oil. Grab your egg, and we're going to do a sunny side up egg. Season it with salt and pepper. After it cooked, set this aside. Then as for our sandwich, I'm using a wheat bread. Then toasting it for a minute or two in a low heat pan. Spreading garlic mayo in my base sandwich, and then I'm putting in lettuce. Then add your tomatoes, your onion, and then your cucumber. Put in your ham. And then your sliced cheese. And then the sunny side up egg. Then glazed it with your garlic mayo.